Hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to...
Humble Beginnings Vlog!
So today, as you can see, may package kami na dumating galing ibang bansa. Wow!
Wow!
Okay, so guys, may dalawang subscribers sa atin na nagbigay ng ito, regalo para sa inyo. So this one is from Vietnam. At ito naman galing sa
Japan!
hindi ko alam. Okay, Japan. Okay, let's open. Are you ready?
Ready!
Ano kaya naman ito?
Book one!
Baka tablet.
No!
Are you sure, books? Okay, let's try. Let's open. Okay, sir. So, anong laman? Yay, may books. Yay. Pakita niyo dun.
Yay! That is my book.
Yay, we got books. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you!
Okay, next na naman.
Oh no!
Okay, let's open the next box, the bigger one, the bigger parcel.
Ano yan?
Ano kaya naman ito? Laptop?
Laptop!
Laptop?
Laptop! Books!
Baka bike?
No!
Cellphone?
No! Book! Tablet,
Books?
tablet. Cellphone. A snacks. Ha? Oh no! Look at that! Look at that!
Let's open. Bakit lagi mo siya? Higit-kita yun ako. Wala na yung light.
Snow light. Snow light. Temperature light.
Laptop?
No! Books! Yes!
Books?
Yes! Books! Cellphone! Snacks.
Ha? Cellphone? Baka cellphone?
It's snacks, snacks.
No.
I know that is snacks. I know that is snacks. That's snacks. Snacks. And that's snacks. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is that? Oh my
Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's open. One. Ako lang. 1, 2, 3.
Wala!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Panakton!
Oh, papel! Okay, wait. May note dito nakalagay. Okay, rice seasoning for it. Okay.
Hindi ka mag-growing.
Balik na sa mo dito.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Gusto lang galing.
Okay. Sana good. Okay. Oh, what we have?
Kit Kat. Oh!
Basura. Okay, let's start with. Oh, it's a Japanese. Okay, can you show them? Oh, what's that? Okay, so it's a country, mom. Okay, we have a snack here. Another snack. What's this? Haichu. I think it's a chewing gum.
Chewing gum, I like it. And there.
Okay, we have.
Look, the Peter Rabbit, sir. Ako ng Peter Rabbit, sir. Kunin mo sa liban.
Okay, wait. So we have snacks. Can you hold? Can you show them?
Yes.
Show them.
Yes.
Okay, what's this? Oh, I think this is for bookmarks. Okay, we got bookmarks.
Wow.
Okay, what about show them to up here, Charles?
Here you go. I don't know what it is. Here we go. Ito. Duty. Ito, may pagbasa kong mali.
Hala, okay. Show them.
Sa di pangit ani oy.
Okay. Okay, next.
What is that?
Last.
Books. Last but not the least.
Okay.
Laptop.
Hey, sit down.
Karton mo.
Gamitin na ako.
Ay, wag mag-iabo ako ko rin sa buhok.
Okay, we have another set of books. Wow. Okay, wait first. We got...
Peter Rabbit!
No.
Wait, car?
Wait first.
Namatay ko magpinagaw car.
Wow. This is for high. Oh, we need the Pooh. What's this? Okay, we got some rainbow. Heart of Samurai. Yeah, gudu. We got, what else? Minions. Wow, we got this one. Okay, we have organizers. What's this? Oh, we have a clipboard. And we have sticky notes. Okay, ayun ninyo, abing nyo ha. Ang snacks ay dili na ninyo isa-isa balik. Okay, so put it back. Oh, you got here, what's this? Our puff.
Mama to sa TikTok mash-up, di ba? Oo. Uy, Narnia! Baba, Ari! Ay, Black Chronicles. Balik na daw.
Ito yung sige nabasa, sige na.
The World.
Cheers. Hello, Narnia?
Di mo na.
Wow, we got Narnia. Oh, this is a very nice book. Okay, how many books do we have all in all? Babe, put it back, come on, put it back.
Narnia, put it back. Back.
Okay, nasa tabi kay Okay, put it. No. Put it back. So, bisa na yung books. Lagay dito. Oh, we got origami. Okay. Balik ang books. Let's count how many books we have. So let's count. Are you ready? Okay.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Oh, we got minions.
15, 16, 17!
Yay, oh, it's 17. Wow. Wow, may 17 books po kami na tayo. What snacks? How many snacks do we have? 6.
4,
1, 2, 3,
5,
6. Okay, we got 6. Okay. Okay, so... Yun na, so... Any message para sa subscriber natin?
Yes!
Hey, you say thank you.
Thank you! Subscribers!
Okay, yes. So, sa mga nagpadala nito, galing Vietnam at Japan, thank you so much. This is really a big help para sa mga bata, para somehow they will really enjoy reading books. Okay, so by the way, may message pala yung galing Japan sa inyo. May sinabi siya sa nag-message siya sa akin. So, ito yung message niya. So, I just wanted to share with your students, if you study hard, so pag mag-aral daw kayo ng maigi, you will have a lot of chances to try everything. So, maraming opportunities na darating. So, sabi niya dito, guys, listen. Sabi niya, gaya niya, he got a lot of friends and he got a lot of experiences in the US and he got a job there because he studied English very hard. So guys, so sabi niya, study English hard, okay? Okay ba?
Yes!
Are you going to study English hard?
Yes!
So are you going to read books?
Yes!
Sabi niya na, you have to start reading books.
Sir, ako.
Okay, so, yun na guys. Thank you!
Thank you!
See you next time!
See you next time!
Okay.
Thank you!
Okay. See you next time!
See you